Okay, we're going to cut up some cedar logs, but I wanted to replace the blade first, so here I am, about ready to fire this sucker up.
Here is all the cedar lumber that James sawed up yesterday. He got 32 boards, different lengths, widths, and thickness, but there's a nice slew here. I didn't get to record him milling any of this because I was busy doing other stuff on the farm, but today I'll try to record him some cutting up these cedar logs. He got some really big cedar logs. Here's all the cedar logs he got cut down yesterday. Now he did mill up about 3 or 4 of these. These aren't as big as the ones he did yesterday. They're still pretty big, but man, some of the ones he milled up yesterday were the biggest cedars we've cut down on our farm. They were huge. So anyway, let's get to it.
This is Eastern Red Cedar. We're going to use it to reside our tobacco barn. We got them 1 inch thick and then different widths. This one's actually 1.5 inches. We're going to use this on another barn we're going to build later on. So I try to incorporate a little bit of everything when we're cutting boards, but most of this is going to be 1 inch thick. And I changed the blade on my mill and it's cutting like butter now, so real nice.
That's some beautiful looking lumber.
I love cedar because it is so light.
Yeah, and naturally rot resistant.
And this is considered wet wood. So typically wet wood's super heavy, but this stuff's nice and light.
So out of that log, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that one. So 6 usable pieces of lumber. Let's saw up some more. And this is what we unfortunately have to do with all of the branches until we get our wood burning furnace installed in the house, maybe next year or the year after if we have the cash for it, and until we put the wood burning stove in the shop after we build it this summer. We just have giant bonfires for now, but hopefully by next year we will have a good use for all of our leftover branches and scraps from the sawmill.